Imagine walking into a store at 2 a.m. and finding hot meals, fresh coffee, clean bathrooms, and even concert tickets all in one place. Welcome to the magical world of Japanese convenience stores, or Konbini. Today, we are diving into the hidden secrets of Japan's convenience stores. From must-try foods and surprising services to unique cultural rules that might shock you. Let's unlock the secrets of Japan's most beloved daily stop. First, let's talk about what makes Konbini so different from convenience stores overseas. In Japan, the big three are 7-Eleven, Lawson, FamilyMart. But unlike in the US or Europe, Japanese konbini are clean, efficient, and packed with quality products. Need breakfast? They've got rice balls, fresh sandwiches, and even miso soup. Need to pay your bills or print documents? You can do that too, right from the store counter. Japanese word, konbini, convenience store. If you've never eaten konbini food, you are missing out. Here are my top 3 must-try items for any foreign visitor. Simple, cheap, and delicious. Try the sake or tsunamayo versions. From fried chicken to curry rice, you can eat a full meal for under 600 yen. Freshly brewed convenience store coffee tastes better than some cafe coffee. Seriously, ask for your coffee cup first at the counter before using the self-serve machine. Japanese words: onigiri, rice ball, obento, lunchbox, coffee, coffee. Japanese convenience stores are more than food. They are mini life centers. Here's what else you can do inside a konbini. Pay utility bills, ship and receive packages, buy event or Shinkansen tickets, use free Wi-Fi, even withdraw cash in English at ATMs. It's like a 24-hour support system for daily life. Japanese word, takyubin, delivery service. Now, a few cultural tips to help you fit in like a local. If there's no eat-in space, don't eat inside the store. Take your food outside or home instead. But if the store has an eat-in space, feel free to enjoy a meal there. Just remember to clean up afterward. Always greet staff with ありがとう or お願いします. Avoid taking photos of other customers. It's considered rude. And one more thing. If you are in a hurry, head to self-checkout, but only if you know how to use it. Japanese words: eat-in space, eat-in area, お願いします please, thank you, セルフレジ self-checkout. Honestly, Japanese convenience stores represent the heart of Japan's culture, politeness, efficiency, and care for details. Even as a Japanese person, I still find new surprises every time I visit one. From seasonal snacks to limited edition drinks, Konbini truly reflects the changing seasons and lifestyles of Japan. If you ever visit Japan, skip the fancy restaurants once and explore the taste of everyday life at a konbini. You'll understand Japan better through its simplest food. So, what's your favorite Japanese convenience store? 7-Eleven, Lawson, or FamilyMart? Leave a comment and let me know below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.